Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Here we are from the sixth team for the project learning. We will present to you our project. As you know, we have the same project. We have the same project that we want to do. Next. This is our member. First is me. The second one is here. And Moses is the left one. And Irfan is right. The left is on me. And the last is Fatima Asnia Walani. The next class. This is the table of contents. The first is our member. And the second is next. As you know, our project is the same for the maybe before me. So maybe I want to learn much about the background. It's functional machine is right here. Although it's not powerful. With this thing is the same as well. Next. Here is our work with the structure is the first me, calculations as you can see, second calculations, mechanical and electrical. And the third is OCP is as report and electrical support. The fourth is report knowledge, the group, and report and alright, then we will be explaining my friend.
Okay, now I want to explain the progress our project. Starting with the mechanical part, we have completed all acrylic cutting design until the material collection is 100%. As you can see. Next, in the electrical section, we have completed attachment DC dynamo to assemble acrylic until the material collection in 100%. You can see in here. Next is document progress. Project implementation plan in 100%. UTS presentation in 100%. UAS presentation is 100%. UAS final report in 70%. UAS poster is in 100%. UAS manual book in 100%. UAS HKI in 0% because we have not received the HKI template. For the last one, UAS batch in 90%.
Alright, now I will continue with the next topic, which is multiplicity. This table shows our multiplicity as well as the detailed project type. The main points of the project include project design, component preparation, mechanical design and assembly, electrical assembly, system testing, and the last is documentation. There are several colors in the table, which indicate the status of the project work. Green means is done, yellow means is in progress, and orange means to be done. On red, the work on of all these main points has reached 90%. The red is making a presentation video, intellectual property rights, draft documents, and the final report. The next discussion will focus on obstacles and troubleshooting, which will be continued by Nima.
Thank you, Agnes. So I will be explaining you guys about obstacles. During this project-based learning progress, we faced some of obstacles and we got a troubleshooting from the obstacle group. The first one is the availability of necessary material is slow. So the troubleshooting was contact to the project manager to inform the head of the study program to encouraging the laboratory assistant to provide the item. Second obstacle was there are several mechanical part designs that are not yet included in the project-based learning one. So our troubleshooting was creating 3D print design for pencil holder and aluminum shaft holder. Also creating acrylic box pencil holder designs. The third one is when we assembly the mechanical parts, we found gap on the acrylic. So our troubleshooting was glue the acrylic pieces together by attaching them in the most balanced position possible to minimize the risk of the acrylic falling. And lastly, some components are not available yet from BHP. So we bought it on ourselves, purchasing components like bolts, nuts, acrylic glue, bearings, belting, terminals, spoon, battery, and battery cell. Okay, for the next slide will be explained by Mondi.
Okay, thanks Fatima to explaining the obstacle during PBL and problem solving in the previous slide. Alright, next on this slide, I will discuss the benefit of PBL. There are 3 benefits of PBL. The first is mechanical design and assembly. Understand how to design acrylic, which is using the OnShape website, and how to assemble acrylic piece into a single structure. Also learn how to assemble all mechanical components. Second, schematic, electrical, and component installation. Knowing how to read electrical schematic and apply them is apply them in assembling electrical component. And third, teamwork and problem solving. Strengthening cooperation and problem solving skill by working together to overcome challenge during the design, material cutting, and assembly process. Okay, next. Well, this slide. No. Back. Yes. Well, this slide show the final result of our team conventional control Cartesian machine project. You can see front, the side, and top view. Okay, here is the explanation of the final result, and I return it to Sakif.
Alright, thank you, Mojik, for the time. Here we have a video representation of our project, how it was moving. I hope you will enjoy the video. And the video is also is the end of our presentation. Maybe there is some question that we want to ask to our team.
Here will give a question for the team leader. So as a team leader, how do you assign the text to team members and ensure that all tasks are carried out properly? Okay. As a team leader, how do you assign tasks to team members and ensure that all the tasks are carried out properly?
Here, actually, in optimis, maybe not much knowing about the project because the basis from before getting into college. So the PIC, and the rhythm, maybe the mechanical. That's part of it. Maybe they the PIC, but in working in the project that we still get these other complications.
Berarti dari awal kerjain sama-sama.
Yeah, of course.
Next. Last question, maybe.
Do you guys have any regrets while doing this project? Regret, misalnya.
Oke, untuk proyek ini sedikit kendala itu paling kita ketahui bersama itu adalah di komponen. Komponen itu membuat kita bisa kemarin delay kurang lebih hampir 2 minggu nggak ngapa-ngapain. Cuma karena nggak ada komponen jadi kita terkendala hari kita kan untuk masih ada video kita nggak bisa lanjutkan karena mekanikalnya sendiri belum selesai. Dan untuk penyediaan komponen karena nggak ada jadi kita membeli barang sendiri dan itu menjadi salah satu tantangan juga untuk dalam penyediaan komponen secara pribadi. Dan untuk pengerjaan tim kami dalam proses karena saya sebagai mechanical electrical jadi saya memiliki tanggung jawab lebih dalam proses ini sehingga tim saya hanya mensupport dan membantu jika saya membutuhkan misalnya pengambilan barang seperti itu.
Okay. Next question. Yeah, another question. Jadi Nisa. Nisa kan? Dia. Gak ada. Kenapa warna merah gitu background? Okay. If nothing question, so you can move to the member team, please. Okay. Enam ya, tim 6 ya. Iya. Terakhir siapa? Fatimah. Oh, for me, the video is very good. Yeah. Did you have any knowledge about video editing? Siapa? Fatima ya? Maybe next time Prodi will hire you ya. Tapi gratis nggak apa-apa ya? You use the professional camera or just iPhone?
Just iPhone.
Oh. And then the cinematic you are learning before?
The person who takes the video is actually Agus, but using my camera. But for the editing and choosing the audio or I put transition and text idea for the intro is me with the editing.
And then about cinematic, the cutting video you already learning before?
Yes, I used to handle in documentation and editing.
Before you learning it, sebelumnya kamu belajar tentang editing ya?
Yes, I do.
In the high school?
I'm editing since I was in elementary school.
Elementary school?
Yeah.
Elementary school?
Yes.
SD?
Yes.
Jadi kamu belajar dari SD?
For editing, back then when I was in elementary school, I did editing like photo transition.
Oh. Dari SD?
Yes, because I used to have a dream like having YouTube like,
Oh, you have YouTube channel?
before.
Before. And then how?
No, I'm not thinking about it.
You don't have time or what?
Yes, I don't have the time.
Very busy.
Yes, very busy. I'm focusing more on my college.
College.
Yeah.
Nice. Selesai. Tinggal itu lagi. Okay, good. Maybe sometime maybe Prodi will invite you to make video ya. Buat your friend lah. Maybe sometime why you choose mechatronic department, something like that, and then you make video and then upload in the IG. Actually, we have the Instagram account, but our Instagram account is known as like kayak rumah kosong gitu. Gak ada update, ya, not active. Ya, bagus sih, videonya bagus, keren. Kayak benar-benar kayak profesional banget, walaupun pakai iPhone. I think enough from me. Yeah, maybe you can start the video. Jadi, from the beginning. Bagus. How long you editing this video? How long you editing this video?
Around 2 until 3 days.
Only 3 days.
But I got help from others too for the revision.
Pakai tools apa? Pakai tools.
CapCut aja.
Yes, CapCut doang. So from handphone ya?
Yes.
Wow.
I use my.
Ya, sebenarnya kita tuh punya akun Canva ya, bisa kita gunakan. Kalau misalkan mau kita posting-postingnya nanti bisa pakai akun Canva.
Ya, kita juga punya. Good. Everything good ya. Overall, all of you good. Ya. All of you ya. This class, not only all of you good. Yeah, you have the unique knowledge ya. Not only for the mechatronics engineering. Maybe tugas saya mungkin lebih mengembangkan lagi terkait dengan kompetensi kalian. Jadi kalau misalnya ada ide gitu ya, ada kebutuhan yang memang kalian perlukan, misalnya saya pengen belajar tentang sekarang robot gitu ya. Bapak beli dong, bapak belikan gitu. Ya ini saya usahakan gitu. Walaupun datanya 10 tahun lagi. Tapi yang jelas ya, yang jelas kita tuh udah punya banyak sekali alat-alat yang bagus banget lah. Dan kalau kalian bisa menguasai itu pun, ya gajinya dolar lah mungkin lah ya. Per jamnya itu bukan 10.000, 20.000, mungkin bisa dapat 1 juta, 2 juta gitu ya. Per hari, per jam ya. Per jam. Jadi peralatan prodi itu banyak, silakan dimaksimalkan. Silakan dipakai. Yang penting tuh dirapikan aja kalau dari saya ya. Dirapikan, jangan dirusakin gitu aja. Jadi jangan udah dipakai tinggal gitu, jangan seperti itu ya. Gitu. Mungkin itu sih. Untuk selanjutnya ada yang masukan nggak? Misalnya ada yang pengen apa buat kalian tuh udah bagus-bagus sih. Jadi saya nggak salah pilih memang benar. Yang kelas ini ya, yang kelas lain saya belum masuk soalnya. Kalau kelas malam ya saya sendiri lah mas. Agak sulit ya. Agak sulit kelas malam. Saya kemarin habis review yang kelas malam nggak sebagus ini loh. Yang ini lumayan. Jadi tinggal saya inikan aja. Saya kemas biar lebih bagus lagi ya. Jadi ya harapannya ya kalau misalnya pengen bagus lagi ada masukan dari buku prodi silakan sampaikan aja ya. Gak usah segan-segan lah, gak usah malu-malu. Nah, yang paling penting attitude-nya itu. Jadi kalau ketemu saya, ketemu Pak Adrian, ketemu siapapun disapa ya. Jadi jangan melengos saja ya, jangan melengos saja. Bagi Pak, ketemu Pamdal, ketemu CS gitu ya. Bagi Bu gitu ya. Semuanya gitu ya. Sip ya. Jadi ngomong masih semester 1 masih semangat kan ya? Siap memajukan Mega kan? Siap. Lemas kan? Siap. Kita tuh peralatannya udah banyak banget. Kalian butuh apapun ada kita. Kalau duit nggak ada. Tapi peralatan tentang mekanik kalau tentang mekatronik ya bukan mekanik. Untuk mengembangkan pengetahuan kalian terkait mekatronik itu kita ada semua. Kalian mau belajar dari mana? Dari sinyal kita ada, kepresisian kita ada, kontrol apalagi banyak semua. Kalian butuh apa kita ada. Kalau misalnya dari penggerak kita ada 3 pasar, 1 pasar, servo, industrial servo, stepper kita punya. Dari penggerak, dari kontrol kita ada PLC, ada STM32, ada Arduino. PLC kita bagi-bagi lagi, ada yang serial, ada yang Modbus, ada yang TCP/IP. Wah, banyak sekali lah. Kalian kalau mau mengembangkan diri, silakan di lab aja lah intinya gitu. Pak saya mau pinjam ini, pakai. Saya pasti kayak gitu. Kalau saya Sabtu mau masuk, pakai aja coba. Yang penting dirapikan aja, boleh-boleh aja. Apapun ada, semuanya ada. Gitu ya, sip. Silakan ditutup, tepuk tangan lagi. Boleh ditutup. See you.